What if your home could handle everyday tasks for you without you even thinking about it? From smart gadgets that simplify cleaning to devices that add comfort and control to your space, these picks are designed to make daily life smoother and more efficient. Here are some standout smart home upgrades that feel like they're straight out of the future. 1. Running out of space in your main fridge or needing a convenient way to keep drinks and snacks close by can be frustrating, especially in smaller living areas. The Sweet Crispy 3.2 cubic feet mini fridge with freezer is a compact two-door refrigerator designed to provide both refrigeration and a separate freezer section in a space-saving size. It features an adjustable thermostat for flexible temperature control, operates with low noise, and is built with an energy-efficient design for everyday use. With its compact form, it fits well in bedrooms, offices, or dorm rooms, making it a practical option for anyone who needs extra cold storage without taking up too much space. 2. Keeping floors clean every day can be tough, especially with pet hair, dust, and busy schedules getting in the way. The Uninel Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is designed to handle both vacuuming and mopping in one system, helping maintain your floors with less hands-on effort. It features 7,000 Pascal suction power along with LiDAR navigation and home mapping, allowing it to move efficiently around your space, and includes a self-emptying base with up to 90 days of dust capacity for reduced maintenance. With up to 180 minutes of runtime, plus app and Alexa control, it offers flexible cleaning for hard floors and carpets, making it a practical option for homes with pets or anyone looking to simplify routine cleaning. 3. Trying to create a cozy atmosphere at home without the hassle of a traditional fireplace can be challenging, especially when dealing with smoke, maintenance, or installation limits. The Touchstone Smart Electric Fireplace Sideline 50-inch is designed as a recessed in-wall unit that combines visual ambiance with supplemental heating in a clean, modern format. It features realistic flame effects with multiple color and intensity settings, along with log and crystal hearth options for a customizable look, and a 1,500-watt heater with thermostat control to help warm a room. With Wi-Fi and Alexa compatibility, plus remote control operation, it allows you to adjust heat and flame settings easily, making it a practical choice for living rooms, bedrooms, or anyone looking to add warmth and style without a traditional fireplace setup. 4. Hosting guests or just relaxing in your living room can get inconvenient when you're constantly getting up for drinks or looking for a place to charge your devices. The LiveTab Smart Coffee Table is designed as a multifunctional living room table with a built-in fridge, helping keep beverages within reach while doubling as a central piece of furniture. It features refrigerated storage drawers with adjustable temperature zones for different items, along with 15-watt wireless charging, USB ports, and built-in speakers for added convenience and entertainment. With its compact dimensions and integrated design, it works well in living rooms, apartments, or entertainment spaces for anyone looking to combine storage, cooling, and everyday functionality in one table. 5. Keeping your toothbrush clean and dry in a shared bathroom can be a concern, especially with moisture and everyday exposure. The Bitvei upgraded toothbrush holder for Bathroom 2.0 is designed as a wall-mounted toothbrush cleaner that helps store and maintain your brush in a more hygienic way. It features infrared sensing for automatic operation, along with air drying to reduce moisture buildup, and an LED smart screen that displays key information at a glance. Built to fit most toothbrush sizes and designed for easy wall mounting, it offers a compact solution for organizing and maintaining toothbrushes, making it suitable for families, small bathrooms, or anyone looking to keep their daily routine more organized. 6. Dealing with spills, pet accidents, or stubborn stains on carpets and furniture can be frustrating, especially when regular cleaning just doesn't cut it. The Lebaigo Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is designed as a compact spot cleaner that helps tackle deep stains across a variety of surfaces like rugs, couches, stairs, and car seats. It features a powerful 18 kilopascal suction motor for deep cleaning, along with a brush head and suction nozzle to handle both tough stains and tight spaces, and dual water tanks that separate clean and dirty water for more efficient use. With its lightweight, portable design, built-in storage for the hose and cord, and a self-cleaning function to help maintain the system, it's a practical option for households with pets or anyone looking to manage everyday messes more easily. 7. Ironing clothes in a small space can be inconvenient, especially when a full-size board takes up too much room or is hard to store. The Kingboard tabletop ironing board is designed as a compact, foldable solution that fits easily on a table or countertop while still providing a stable surface for everyday ironing. It features a heat-resistant cotton cover with padded felt underlay to handle high temperatures and help keep garments smooth, along with a breathable mesh panel that allows heat to dissipate efficiently. The built-in iron rest offers a safe place to set your iron, and non-slip feet help keep the board steady during use. With its lightweight, portable design and easy folding mechanism, it's a practical option for apartments, dorms, or anyone needing a space-saving ironing setup. 8. Cold rooms can make it hard to stay comfortable, especially during winter nights or when central heating isn't enough. The DREO Space Heater Indoor is designed as a portable 25-inch tower heater that helps quickly warm up indoor spaces like bedrooms or larger rooms. It features fast heating with airflow reaching up to 11.5 feet per second, along with an adjustable digital thermostat ranging from 41 to 95 degrees for more precise temperature control. With 3 heating modes, a remote control for convenience, and built-in safety features like overheat and tip-over protection, it offers a balanced approach to everyday heating. Its oscillation and smart memory functions also help distribute warmth evenly, making it suitable for anyone looking to maintain a consistent and comfortable indoor temperature. 9. Drying clothes indoors or in small spaces can quickly become cluttered, especially when you don't have enough room for traditional racks or outdoor lines. The Tripod Drying Rack Height Adjustable is designed as a foldable, portable standing rack that helps organize and air-dry clothes efficiently without taking up too much space. It features a height-adjustable design with multiple hanging arms, allowing you to dry different types of garments like shirts, towels, or dresses at the same time, and is built with carbon steel material for everyday stability. The umbrella-style structure makes it easy to set up and fold down when not in use, while its lightweight design supports both indoor and outdoor use. With its space-saving form and simple installation, it's a practical option for apartments, balconies, or anyone looking for a more flexible way to handle laundry drying. 10. Small living spaces can make it difficult to accommodate overnight guests without sacrificing comfort or functionality during the day. The Kiddie Pull-Out Couch Bed is designed as a 2-in-1 sleeper love seat that easily converts from a compact sofa into a bed, helping maximize limited space. It features a pull-out design with a sturdy iron frame for support, along with a hidden side table that adds extra convenience for everyday use. With its compact dimensions suited for apartments or smaller rooms, and a simple conversion mechanism, it provides a practical setup for both seating and sleeping, making it a useful option for small homes, guest rooms, or multifunctional living areas. 11. Running out of outlets near your bed or desk can quickly turn into a mess of chargers and bulky adapters competing for space. The wall outlet extender with shelf and nightlight is designed to expand a single wall outlet into a more organized charging station while keeping your devices within reach. It features a 3-sided layout with 5 AC outlets, along with 3 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port, allowing multiple devices to charge at once in a compact setup. The built-in shelf provides a convenient spot for phones or small electronics, while the soft LED nightlight automatically turns on in low-light conditions or can be controlled manually for added visibility at night. With its surge protection and secure wall mount design, offers a practical solution for bedrooms, dorm rooms, or workspaces where you need both extra outlets and better organization. 12. Cleaning both carpets and hard floors can be time-consuming, especially when switching between tools or dealing with pet hair and dust. Buildup. The Eureka Flex Reach Plus bagless upright vacuum cleaner is designed to handle whole home cleaning with a versatile upright and lift-up design for floors, stairs, and above-floor areas. It features strong suction power along with FloorSense technology that automatically adjusts between carpet and hard floors, helping maintain effective cleaning without manual changes. The sealed HEPA filtration system captures fine particles like dust and pet dander, while the anti-tangle brush roll helps prevent hair buildup during use. With a 30-foot power cord for extended reach and a detachable pod for more flexible cleaning, it's a practical option for households looking for a straightforward solution to everyday messes. 13. Dealing with dust, pet dander, or lingering odors at home can make it hard to feel comfortable, especially in bedrooms or smaller living spaces. The PuraVortex air purifier for bedroom is designed to help improve indoor air quality with a compact, quiet system that fits easily into everyday environments. It features a 3-layer filtration system with a HEPA filter, pre-filter, and activated carbon layer that can capture up to 99.97% of particles like dust, smoke, pollen, and pet dander, while also helping reduce household odors. With coverage of up to 880 square feet and the ability to refresh smaller rooms in minutes, it's built for efficient air circulation without taking up much space. Its low-noise operation, multiple fan modes, and optional nightlight settings make it suitable for bedrooms, apartments, or anyone looking for a quieter way to maintain cleaner air indoors. 14. Sweeping up fine dust, pet hair, or even liquid spills can be frustrating with traditional brooms that tend to scatter debris instead of collecting it. The original Broombee all-surface silicone broom is designed as a multi-purpose cleaning tool that works across different surfaces while handling both dry and wet messes. It features a patented quad-blade silicone design that creates static electricity to attract hair and fine dust, helping keep debris from spreading as you sweep. With its flat, flexible edge, it can clean smooth floors, tiles, windows, and even low-pile carpets, while also functioning like a squeegee for liquids. The washable silicone head makes it easy to rinse clean after use, avoiding buildup found in traditional bristles, and the adjustable telescopic handle allows for comfortable use at different heights. Its lightweight, versatile design makes it a practical option for pet owners, everyday household cleaning, or anyone looking for a more hygienic alternative to standard brooms. 15. Working or studying from bed or the couch can quickly become uncomfortable when your laptop isn't positioned at the right height or angle. The Saiji Laptop Bed Tray Table is designed as an adjustable, portable lap desk that creates a more stable and ergonomic workspace for everyday use. It features adjustable height and tilt settings to help reduce neck and back strain, along with built-in stoppers that keep your laptop securely in place while working. The foldable design makes it easy to store or move, and the lightweight structure supports flexible use on a sofa, floor, or bed. With its compact size and ability to fit laptops up to 17 inches, it's a practical option for working, studying, reading, or even casual use in smaller living spaces. 16. Cleaning up small messes in your car or around the house can be frustrating when larger vacuums are too bulky or inconvenient to use. The Antaha Handheld Vacuum Cordless Car. Vacuum is designed as a compact, portable cleaner for quick and easy cleanup in tight spaces. It features up to 11,000 Pascal suction power to handle dust, crumbs, and pet hair, along with a lightweight 1.2-pound design that's easy to carry and use with one hand. The cordless setup and Type-C charging add convenience for everyday use, while multiple included accessories help reach corners, crevices, and upholstery. With its HEPA filtration system and compact size, it's a practical option for cars, small living spaces, or anyone looking for a simple tool to manage daily messes. 17. Trying to create custom t-shirts or DIY fabric projects at home can be frustrating when regular irons don't provide consistent heat or reliable results. The Cricut EasyPress 29x9 heat press is designed to deliver even, controlled heat for transferring designs onto items like t-shirts, tote bags, and home decor. It features adjustable temperature control up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, along with a built-in timer, helping you apply the right settings for different materials with more accuracy. The ceramic-coated heat plate provides consistent edge-to-edge heat distribution, while the compact 9x9-inch size makes it suitable for a variety of small to medium projects. With its lightweight design and simple controls, it works well for both beginners and regular crafters looking for a more dependable heat transfer solution at home. 18. Cleaning sealed hard floors can be frustrating when traditional mops leave behind streaks or don't fully remove stuck-on dirt. The Shark Steam Mop S1000 is designed to clean floors using steam, helping break down grime with just water for a simpler cleaning process. It features a lightweight design that's easy to maneuver, along with a removable water tank for convenient refilling during use. The included machine-washable dirt grip pads are built to lift and trap dirt more effectively, while the quick heat-up time helps you get started without long waiting. Suitable for surfaces like hardwood, tile, laminate, and stone, it's a practical option for everyday floor cleaning without the need for additional chemicals. 19. Washing dishes by hand in a small kitchen can be time-consuming and inconvenient, especially when you don't have space for a full-size appliance. The Ahomey countertop dishwasher is designed as a compact, portable unit that brings automatic dishwashing to apartments, dorms, or RVs without requiring a permanent hookup. It features a built-in 5-liter water tank for flexible use, along with 6 cleaning programs, including options like EKO, Quick Wash, and Baby Care for different needs. The high-temperature wash reaches up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit to help clean and sanitize dishes more effectively, while the air dry function helps keep items ready to use. With its compact size and multi-mode functionality, It's a practical option for small households or anyone looking to simplify daily dishwashing without installing a full system. 20. Touching a trash can lid in small spaces like bathrooms or bedrooms can be inconvenient, especially when you want to keep things more hygienic. The Uralpha Motion Sensor trash can is designed as a compact, touchless bin that opens automatically using infrared sensing for hands-free use. It features a 3-gallon capacity that fits well in tight spaces, along with a lid that helps contain odors and keep the area cleaner. The removable legs allow you to adjust its height or style depending on placement, while the lightweight plastic design makes it easy to move and maintain. With its automatic operation and space-saving size, it's a practical option for bathrooms, bedrooms, kitchens, or offices where convenience and cleanliness matter. You can find all the product links in the video description below, so feel free to check them out if any of these fit your needs. If you decide to purchase, we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.